is a proud moment for all the surgeons. Today we were able to launch the Covidian Max Tax, which is a power tacker. We are the first to use in Bangalore at Sparsh Hospital, and it is very convenient and user-friendly, wherein compared to the conventional tackers, it is powered and you don't have to use too much of strength. And this is the instrument. It is very sleek and handy. It is not heavy, and it comes with all safety measures. And once there is run by battery, and once the battery leaf is removed, it turns into green like this. And it has got 25 tackers and up to 20 tackers. The color of the tackers, 30 tackers, up to 25 tackers. The color of the tackers will be violet, and then the last 5 tackers, the color is green. And also once all the tackers are over, this green color will become red. So a lot of safety measures are there, and we have just used it, and it is ergonomically and strength-wise was much comfortable compared to the conventional manual tackers. So I would strongly recommend this, and also the length of the tackers has been increased to 7 mm, so the penetration as well as the efficiency is much more appreciated and useful. Thank you.